Hey, welcome back again for the AutoCAD next tutorial. I'm RK and you are watching RK Engineering Tech. So guys, today's topic we are going to discuss about offset command and erase command. Offset command यूज करके इस तरह का ऑब्जेक्ट बना सकते हैं. So guys, let's start. Offset command क्या है? ठीक है, इसको हम समझने के लिए first I'm going to open new windows. Okay, this is our new windows and I'm going to take line command L and press enter and I'm giving this let's run the auto mode function effect and this is the line and press and enter. This is our line and you have the multiple lines in such a manner and let's offset command OFF is short form and press enter. Then specify distance, let's 2 and press enter. And after that select object. This is our object and take upward or downward. Okay. And you have to and you want to number of offset. I mean अगर number of lines लेना चाहते हो then फिर से अगर erase command यूज करना let's make select this object totally windows so skip this and totally windows select करो and इसके बाद press E and press enter and after that it's remove all object. So guys, हमने डिस्कस कर लिया. अगर आप इस तरह से सीखना चाहते हो तो प्लीज़ आप डिस्क्रिप्शन लिंक में जाओ और फेसबुक और इंस्टाग्राम पर फॉलो करो और साथ ही साथ आप हमारे